Hello, my name is Vina Sabira Radua, majoring in Indonesia Language and Literature Education, State University of Jakarta. Today, I will present my journal article, Development of a Learning Model for Reading News Text Based on Sevima Etling, Class H Junior High School Students. Introduction. Media that are often used for online learning models that are circulating are Google Classroom, Paper, Smart Classroom, Our Classroom, Teachers Learning House, Kahoot, Edmodo, and many others. The number of media in the online learning model that is circulating must be adjusted to the need by users so that users can explore teaching and learning activities remotely. This time, the researcher want to use a media-based learning model that is necessarily hard to be used in the learning activities. The grazing model that will be used in the Savvy Mathly based learning model. This media is rarely hard to be used in online learning activities in schools, but the Savvy Mathly based learning media is commonly used by university, especially lecture to provide material learning to students remote. The students expert the development of this learning model in a new text. The teachers still use a separate learning tool in providing material reading a news text. For example, the students still use learning research in the form of daily newspaper, and they look for examples in form of news and how news texts are following the structure and linguistic rules in them. In learning news text material, students better understand the element text only such as 5W plus 1H, as well as the theory alone, not by determining the structure and linguistic rules in producing the news text. This can be seen from the results of the questionnaire on the situation and the needs of students in providing mention and providing examples related to the structure and rules of each. Um, for the above problems, researchers are interested in developing a learning model from news text based on Savima Etling for grade H junior high school students by using the Savima Etling application, which is not quite familiar to teacher. Teachers will be more innovative and creative in making learning material, especially in reading text. Method this research and development R&D method, which is based on AD model by branch. The AD model is divided in 5 stages: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The study also use series of statistical descriptive analysis, and this study use convenience sampling, and this study use primary data. Uh, Therefore, the researcher use primary data for data collection, user observing, and using questionnaires. Research and discuss. This research use research R&D method, which is based on AD model. AD model is divided in 5 stages: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Analysis. At the analysis stage, research will carry out first, namely observing the situation and needs of English language teacher and student in school. And this stage, the researcher analyzes the curriculum use, analyze the learning model, and also analyzes the material related to the news text. The next step is the design stage. There is a 7 session. Uh, Session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So next development, the next step is development stage, which is a step develop a learning model for reading news text based on Savvy Mathling by applying the design of the product and grades. This first step, action, and final step. Next, implementation. The next stage of implementation is the form of material expert validation, first by Mr. Nusayhuddin SPDM. And media expert validation was carried out by Mrs. Etsa Purbarani SPD MPD. So next evaluation, the next stage is testing on for Indonesian language teacher and class age students in Class city schools with a total of 4 students. First, Indonesian language teacher. First, school A is Mrs. Ira Rahmawati Harun SPD and Mrs. Cucu Nur Hasana SPD, and from school B, namely first, Mrs. Ulfa Saada SS and Mr. Muhriji Sanjari MPD, and next, the product test instrument for students. The product test instrument from students the Sevima Atling Design Text Reading Learning Model show that 19.8% and 20 students of school A and 19.6% of 20 students of school B answered according to statement the product test instrument for students. Next, the results of described statistical analysis, and 19.8% 20 students of school A and 19.67% 20 students of school B. And there's the result of this statistic analysis. So, from the result of the product trial from students who have been filed in by for the students from the schools, the result of the described statistical analysis data have been described above. Development of learning model from reading news text designed on Sevima Atling from class H junior high school students is approved to use. And conclusion, this study aims to discover the development of learning model from reading news text Indonesia. This research and development method, the EDI model which has developed by brands, the analysis stage, curriculum learning model, and news text material will design stage, introduction, basic competency, learning objective, determining news elements, summarizing and concluding news, the structure and linguistic rules of news text, and covering information in the form of news. The development stage is a step to develop a learning model from reading news text based on applying the frameworks of the decided products. The implementation stage require validation from the expert, media, and Indonesian language teacher. The testing based on class age students in two school Bekasi City School with 40 students. The result of the product from student 19.8% of the 20 students of the school A and 9.6% of the 20 students of school B as well according based on the result of stage above the development of learning model from reading news text design on Sevima Atling is compatible with ID model. So, and this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.